Hey guys, Tamisha here with Toolbox Divas, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick photo and video backdrop that you can move from room to room for under $15. Alright, let's get dirty. So we're going to start by cutting our 1x2s down to size. The reason we're using 1x2s is they're really easy to find and they're super affordable. And this can be cut with a miter saw box. Next we're going to cut 1/2 inch wooden dowels down to 2 inches, and we're going to cut about 20 of those. Next we're going to be drilling the pocket holes into 2 smaller side pieces. We're going to be hanging the backdrop like a picture frame, so we're going to be using some D-ring. First, I suggest attaching the D-rings to the 2 smaller side pieces first before attaching the wooden dowels. Trust me, it'll make the process of adding everything else a lot smoother. Then flip the 2 side panels over, and you're going to use a speed square to mark down the length of the side panels 3 inches between each line. I suggest doing this side by side with the speed square so that everything lines up nicely and even. Now it's time to attach the wooden dowels to the 1x2s. Using some wood glue, you want to attach the wooden dowel on the angled side to the 1x2. And glue alone is fine, however it takes about 24 hours for everything to set. To speed the process along, you can use a brad nailer to secure it in place. Once you've screwed the 2 side pieces to the middle support, it's now time to hang the backdrop. So I'm using some tape so that I can mark out where the hangers are located, and it makes finding this location to hang the hangers a lot easier. And this is a really easy trick to use. To hold the drape and the background paper, I am using PVC piping. I have a lot of PVC piping left from a previous project, and PVC piping is relatively inexpensive. And I'm cutting it with a PVC pipe cutter, and it's a very easy tool to use. You simply just open it up, find the location that you want to cut, press down, clamp a couple of times until it grabs a hold of the PVC, and it cuts just like that. Then using the hot glue gun, I attached the fabric to the PVC pipe down the center. This is a great way to hold the fabric in place as you roll it up, and also when you're using the background, it makes it easy to have the drapery hung up and it's secure in one location so that you can easily just pull it down. And then I'm securing it with a velcro wrap. And this backdrop holds 10 rolls of fabric or paper. Okay, so this is yellow, and I actually kind of like yellow. I think yellow will come in handy at different times. So the great thing about this backdrop is it's super flexible, it's easy to do, and you can customize your backdrop to fit your mood, whatever you're wearing. And you can move it from room to room based upon the lighting, the natural lighting in that room. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. And don't be shy, follow us on social media at Toolbox Divas on Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, till next time. Okay, so I'm testing it out in front of this new background. I don't know how this background works, but I'm going to see if this background works. Is it the background? Is it the background? Is it the background? Is it the background? I don't know. Let's see. Let's try the other one.